Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ramiro Boulder. Breaking po, nirekomenda ng NBI ang pagsasampa ng kasong kriminal kina Joel Villanueva, Senador Villanueva, Senador Estrada, Congressman Ko, at saka yung dating Undersecretary Bernardo, ah, at saka Sky Henry Alcantara. Ito po ay rekomendado ng NBI sa patuloy na pagdinig po ngayon ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Ito po, pakinggan nyo. Ta- ah, Sinampahan ng kaso ng NBI na criminal charges versus Villanueva, Estrada, and Saldico. At saka yung former Undersecretary Bernardo. Ito yung boss ni Henry Alcantara. Dati.
We had the NBI come over, the
Hmm.
AMLC, and
Amlak.
of course the NPS is housed in the DOJ compound. So we met in room 206 over the affidavit of Mr. Alcantara, and he was there present to answer questions. And we determined that the NBI would be investigating it. And on the outset, they recommended the filing of charges already.
They recommended the filing of charges. Nirecommend ng NBI ang pagpa-file ng mga kasong kriminal laban sa mga ito.
So we treated this already as a complaint with the NBI as the endorsing agency. And at the same time, we contacted the AMLC and told them we gave them a digital
Ito yung AMLA, yung Anti-Money Laundering Council.
file of this. I mean, somebody was present already, but just the same, we gave a digital file to the AMLC, and they already started acting on this because it is already a filed complaint with the Department of Justice. So, given that, I believe that freeze orders have been issued already by the AMLC over the bank accounts of many
Against
people.
how many persons?
Na-freeze na po ang kanilang mga bank account, ang mga nakasuhang ito. Bank account ni Villanueva, ni Estrada, ni at saka Saldico, Henry Alcantara at saka si Bernardo.
And who are they?
Sir, the recommendation of the NBI for prosecution, and probably this is what AMLAC followed, are as follows: for Mr. Alcantara, for Joel Villanueva, Senator Joel Villanueva, Senator Jinggoy Ejercito, Estrada, uh, Congressman Co, Elizalde Co, former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo,
Si Roberto
and
Bernardo
Former Congresswoman Mitch Cahayon.
at saka si Kahayon pa pala.
And the crimes committed were all specified in the sheet given by the NBI to us. So far, these are the persons, but we are still looking at the case of Commissioner Lipana and his spouse, who was a contractor, since it was already touched upon by Engineer Alcantara, and we're working on that now, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, may I submit to you the document given by the NBI and the received copy of the DOJ of the Sinumpang Salaysay.
And the case is what specific crime?
Sir, as to each one, the crimes that violation of Section 3, Republic Act 3019, Article
Republic Act 3019,
211 of the Revised Penal Code, indirect bribery, and
direct
Article
bribery,
217 of the Revised
indirect
Penal Code,
bribery.
malversation of public funds.
Thank you.
come over, NBI come over.
Alam niyo po, mga kababayan, napakainit po talaga nitong kasong ito. Biro nyo, kung natatandaan po ninyo, itong si Jingo Estrada ay nasangkot na sa PDAF scam nung panahon ni President Pinoy. Tapos ngayon na naman na implicate na naman uli siya. Hindi talaga marunong mag-ingat itong mga senador na to. Nila hindi nila nakikita yung consequences ng kanilang ginagawa. At saka itong si Joel Villanueva, akala mo napakagaling, napakabait, napakatino. Mahirap po talaga kapag nasabit ka na naman sa kasong panghabang buhay mong dadalhin yan. Totoo man o hindi, okay lang kung hindi totoo. Basta't patunayan mo na hindi totoo. Paano pag totoo? Lalong-lalo, involved dito pera ng bayan, ay ng taong bayan. Ang involved dito ay pera ng taong bayan. Nagalit na ang taong bayan. Kailangang may managot. Kaya create ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang Independent Commission on Infrastructure na mag-iimbestiga sa lahat ng anomalya ng flood control project at ang ghost project na kinakasangkutan ng mga dating engineer ng DPWH na pangunguna po nitong ni Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, marami pa pong iba. Alright, ano po ang inyong opinion? Huwag niyo pong kalilimutang mag-like and subscribe sa aking channel, Ramir Boulder. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat.